First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, press open. Then open the channels panel, duplicate the blue channel. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust these input levels in this manner. Press OK. Now take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, increase the brush hardness to 100%. Apply the black color like this. Now hold the control button and click on the channel's thumbnail. Set the foreground color to white. Now press Alt backspace to apply the foreground white color. Then select RGB channels. Open the layers panel. Go to select and choose inverse. Hit the layer mask option below. Then go to filter, other and choose minimum. Here set the radius to 3 pixels. Press OK. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select the disco background image. Click place. Press enter. Move this layer to the bottom. Let's see the final result.